Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. No secret. Today, we're talking about something many of us just accept as a normal part of getting older, joint pain. But what if I told you it's not just a sign of aging, but actually a warning sign from your body? It's a signal that something is wrong, and if we ignore it, things can get much worse. You see, when that low-grade inflammation in your body doesn't get addressed, it starts to wreak havoc on your joints. They get stiff and achy. Over time, the protective cartilage that cushions your bones begins to wear away. Suddenly, simple things like climbing stairs, opening a jar, or even just getting out of a chair can become a painful struggle. It can feel like your own body is working against you, limiting your freedom and your ability to enjoy life. But here is the most important thing I want you to hear today. This isn't a one-way street. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal, and that includes your joints. You have the power to turn things around. It all starts with what you put on your plate. Think of food as your first line of defense. We need to focus on anti-inflammatory foods. Salmon and other fatty fish are packed with omega-3 salts, which are fantastic for calming inflammation. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is another powerhouse. Try adding it to your meals or making a golden milk latte. Blueberries, loaded with antioxidants, and dark leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are also your allies in this fight. By choosing these foods, you're actively helping to reduce the inflammation that causes pain. Next up, let's talk about movement. I know, when you're in pain, the last thing you want to do is move. But here's the paradox. Inactivity actually makes joint stiffness worse. We're not talking about running a marathon here. Gentle, consistent movement is key. Think of it like oiling a rusty hinge. Simple, daily stretching can make a world of difference in maintaining your flexibility. Activities like walking, swimming, or yoga are amazing because they strengthen the muscles that support your joints without putting a lot of stress on them. The goal is to keep your joints moving through their full range of motion, which helps keep them healthy and lubricated. Speaking of lubrication, let's talk about hydration. This is one of the easiest and most overlooked aspects of joint health. Your cartilage is mostly water. When you're dehydrated, your cartilage can lose its suppleness and cushioning ability, leading to more friction and pain. So make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. It's a simple habit that has a huge impact. Finally, and this is crucial, please don't ignore the early signs. That little twinge in your knee, that morning stiffness in your fingers, those are your body's early warnings. Don't just brush them off and hope they go away. The sooner you take action, the sooner you can start the healing process and prevent long-term damage. Your joints are incredible. They carry you through every single day of your life. They allow you to walk, run, dance, and hug the people you love. They deserve your care and protection. So start today. Make one small change. Maybe it's adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie or going for a 10-minute walk. Your future self will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. See you next time.